friends, today we are going to make a plane with me and my brother that has an elevator in it. For this, you will need an A4 sheet. And now let's start.
Let's go.
To start, take the A4 sheet and fold it in half. Try to make the shape so it works. Like this. Then take your A4 sheet and unfold it. Then take one side of it at the top and fold it. And the next step is to fold at the top and like this, like the other one. Like this. Then this will look like this. I'll try. And the next step is to fold another half like this. Fold it. And be precaution. And do the same to the other side. So like this. Make sure they both are in the same size. Don't have enough space. After you did it, it will form like this. And next, you want to take the upper part and point it toward the lower part, like this. Like this. Like that. Then flip the paper like this, and it will form like a queen shape, like the green. Uh, then take the one side of the smaller side and fold it to, to point toward the center, like this. Then do the same to the other side. Like this. Oh. And this might be hard, so you need help from your parents. Next, it will form like this. Then turn the paper around and take this part and hold it in your hands like this and flip it. And make sure it's straight. Like this. Then take the one side of it and fold it like this. Then, after you keep like this, fold it again in one side. And make sure it's straight and hollow. And do the same in the other side. It might be difficult. You need your parents to help. And it will fall like this. And the elevators are this. To adjust the elevator, you want to fold it like this or like this and the other side. And the elevator is the fun thing to do. And it works. And you want to fold it upside down. And this is the fun part, elevators. When the elevators are straight like this, and when you launch it, it goes straight. You can launch it. Next, when you use your elevator to up like this, up like this, not in the down, it up. Like your elevator is up in your leg, it will go up. And let me show you in a longer distance. And next, if you want to go down, you want to fold the elevators down like this. Like this. And now let's launch them. Now it goes down. And this is the fun part. If we fold one wing down and one wing up, guess what happened? One wing down and one wing up, and it spins. And this is the principle between why airplanes goes up and down rather than going straight. And they have wings in their pedals like this. And I hope so you like something. I will upload a elevator video in the future. And yeah, I hope you like my videos. Like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can receive my future video. And thank you.
Thank you.